Alright, so here's the progress of the Compaq Portable 286. You can see it's formatting the Compaq flash card. So let's go ahead and go around back here. This is the 360K. I think it's 360, maybe it was 1.2. Floppy drive. Over here you have the tape drive. This used to house the MFM hard drive. I took that out because it doesn't work. So over here on the side, see, put the XCCF right here. I have the Compaq VD right here, the floppy serial parallel right here, and the SARC marker 1.5 with CMS. Which, of course, the volume potentiometer, the volume wheel fell off. I had to find it. It's somewhere. And this thing does not have a brightness knob, but the brightness control does work. Finally got the enter key working. And when I press the key, it does make a noise, so I'm going to figure out how to disable that once and for all. This thing needs a lot of cleaning though. Needs a lot of TLC. Basically the works. The monitor itself is working perfectly fine. It needs a new battery, because the time of day it's always off. And I think it's because the battery's so low that it's not keeping the time of day correctly. It's keeping the settings, so that's good. So the battery probably has some power to it, but it requires at least, I'd say 3.6 volts, maybe 6, for the battery, for the time of day to be set correctly. Right now, currently it's formatting the Compaq flash card. I think it's done. As lights stop flashing and the screen ain't doing anything yet. Oh, I saw the light flash on the light pointing backwards. Just so you know, flashing light warning. I completely forgot to mention that at the beginning. So you see a series of blinking lights here and through here. So if you have epilepsy or seizures, please do not watch this video. Let's see here. So this is the MFM hard drive I took out. It's a mini scrap 20 megabyte high speed. Unfortunately, I'm not sure if it's going to work, and I have to plug it into my test bench power supply to see if it works. So once this Compaq flash card is done formatting, we're going to go copy everything over to the I need to figure out how to install MS-DOS on here. Well, it's Compaq does, so I think it's just boot diskettes and then you copy everything over to the hard drive. The old days, everything was like that. Nowadays, well, since I think DOS 5.0, or if you had like the regular MS-DOS, versions, and not anything that's OEM like Compaq per se. All you do is you type in install, swap diskettes, and then you're good to go. So once this thing is done formatting, I'm just going to type in the dir command and see like how big this floppy disk is. Yeah, how big this floppy disk is. Because I have a Compaq Portable XT. It has a 360K drive and a 1.44 megabyte drive. I put an FCC in there. I also have an XT-CF in there. Sound Blaster 2.0 with CMS. EGA. There's one other card. Oh yeah, and the memory card. RAM expansion to 640K with RTC. I believe this thing can take more than 640K of RAM, but I have to look that up here. When I typed in the test program on the user programs, this is what it's used for setting up the computer, such as this. I'm not sure if it's doing anything, as all I see is the light flashing and nothing's done here. Anyway, that's the Compaq.